Hello mga ka-Forever! So I'm Ems, your Miss Bride to be. Ngayon sasamahan niyo ako sa Instigo Cafe. Interviewin natin si Miss Sam. What's their story behind Instigo Cafe? Ano bang mga products ang ma-offer nila? And of course, alam ko yung pinakagusto niyong question, magkano ba ang kailangan na budget na i-prepare niyo, no? Para ma-avail sila agad, di ba? So tara, samahan niyo ako. So hi Miss Sam, I'm very excited to know the story of Instigo Cafe. Ano ba yung mga pwede nyong i-offer sa ating mga ka-Forever? Ano bang kailangan nilang i-prepare na budget, no? So first of all, I want to know talaga, of course, the story, bakit siya Instigo Cafe?
Actually, Instigo Cafe, it's already an existing business. We already have 2 branches here in Antipolo. Then, originally, we called it Insti-G. So, it's from P. Oliveros.
Okay.
Kung may
So may nickname din siya, pwede siyang Insti-G.
Yung store kasi talaga namin, physical store is Insti-G. So, it's already running for almost 4, actually kaka-anniversary lang namin, 4 years na siya.
So, happy anniversary
Yes.
mga ka-Forever sa ating
Yes, thank
Instigo
you.
Cafe.
Yes, then it's my feasibility study back in college days ko. So, after my intern from the States, so before pandemic, paalisan ako ng bansa ulit. Then, na-hold yung application ko, then I decided to put up a small business kasi habang naghihintay ako ng call. Then, habang naghihintay ako ng call, nagkaroon ng pandemic, then everything is history na.
Ayun po. So, your story really inspired me, no? Kasi college student ka pa lang, you have that kind of vision na. Wow. Ayun, mga Forever, yan ang dapat tularan. So, ang second question ko po, ano bang mga products ang ino-offer ni Instigo Cafe?
So yun, mainly from the word itself, Instigo Cafe, we offer first milk tea talaga siya. Kasi mahilig talaga ako sa milk tea before.
Hindi tayo magsasawa sa milk tea mga ka-Forever. Lagi talagang may milk tea dito.
Yes, oo. Then, yung Go, we have Taco G, then we call it Taco Go. Then, etong Instigo Cafe, bago lang siya. So, we already have the truck. It's already operating for almost 2 months. Then, we decided na mag-event actually. Then, this is our first time na nag-bridal fair. So, Instigo, kasi on the go siya.
Okay.
Kaya siya
So,
Instigo.
welcome to the bridal
Yes,
fair.
thank you.
First time daw nilang mag-event.
Yes, thank you.
Kaya kayo mga ka-Forever, may mga mimit din kayo dito na first time lang din mag-event. At very excited sila, nakita naman natin sa kanilang face na they're very happy, no?
Yes.
So, ito na. Alam ko naman ito yung pinaka-inaabangan ng mga ka-Forever natin. Palagi natin tatanungin sa kanila, of course, ano ba ang kailangan i-prepare na budget ng mga ka-Forever natin?
Actually, the budget that you need to prepare, for as low as $499, makukuha mo yung package namin, and that is very cheap as you can see. Kasi imagine, may food truck, may coffee truck ka na for only $499. Then,
so may coffee truck ka na ng this 4,999 pesos, no?
yes, and it feels so elegant pag meron kang food truck sa wedding mo.
Imagine yung mga ka-Forever, meron kayong food truck sa wedding. Kahit ako, gusto ko din yung magugulat din ako, diba?
Yes.
Ayun. So, ayun, no? Thank you so much for those informations, Miss Sam. So, saan ba namin pwedeng makita si Instigo Cafe sa mga social media platforms?
Yes, you can follow us on our Facebook page. Just search insti.go cafe. Then sa Instagram, insti.go cafe lang.
Ayun. So, thank you so much
Yes,
again,
thank you
Miss
so
Sam.
much, ma'am.
Ayun. So, ayun mga ka-Forever, narinig nyo na ang story behind Instigo Cafe. Magkano ba yung budget na kailangan nyo prepare? And of course, ang mga products na ino-offer nila na coffee and milk tea na for sure hindi kayo madidisappoint kasi very masarap ito. At itatry na natin to mamaya. Ayun. So mga ka-Forever, I'm Em, your Miss Bride to be. Don't forget to follow all of my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I will see you in my next video. Thank you mga ka-Forever.